Welcome to our video on safely trimming your Maine Coon cat's nails. If you're a proud owner of this majestic breed and want to keep their claws in check, you're in the right place. First, let's talk about the tools you'll need. A good pair of cat nail clippers, a nail file, and some treats for positive reinforcement are essential. Next, preparation is key. Make sure your Maine Coon is calm and comfortable. You can gently hold them in your lap or have someone help you hold them securely. Now for the actual trimming. Start by gently pressing on the paw to extend the claws. Trim just the tip of the nail, avoiding the pink area, known as the quick, which can bleed if cut. After each nail, offer a treat to reward your Maine Coon for their cooperation. This helps create a positive association with nail trimming. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you trim your Maine Coon's nails safely and easily. Don't forget to subscribe for more pet care tips and tricks.